In today's lesson, we are going to learn about blending sounds O and A. When we blend these vowels together, it sounds like O, O, O. Let's understand this with the help of a few examples. The first one, B, O, D, B, O, D, boat. The next one, K, O, D, K, O, D, coat. Next, L, O, F, L, O, F, loaf. Moving on, F, O, L, F, O, L, foal. The next one, B, O, R, B, O, R, bowl. Next, H, O, R, H, O, R, whore. Next, S, O, P, S, O, P, soap. Next one, L, O, D, L, O, D, load. This one is similar. D, O, D, D, O, D, toad. Next, G, O, L, G, O, L, goal. Moving on, R, O, D, R, O, D, road. Next, S, O, R, S, O, R, soar. Next one, G, O, D, G, O, D, goat. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.